let it sit there for a minute and feel it, and then you can reel it up just a little bit, you know, I mean very slow. Just kind of letting the fish peck at it and find it. Oh, there he is. Yep, there you go. There you go. That's a redfish or a trout there. A little redfish.
Eatable?
Nope. 18 inches.
Yeah.
18's what they gotta be.
Okay. Take care, fella.
Stick into the rocks.
Where you at?
There you go. Yep. There you go. Ooh, see, that's a better fish. I told you we just had to change direction.
Yeah.
Think outside the box. Always adapting. It's a nice fish, whatever it is. Yeah. Come around that side if he starts to get close and rapid. That's a nice sheep's head.
I'm gonna set it up.
He just wanted to dance with you.
That's it. See if that's
Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a sheep head.
Yep, that's a keeper. There you go, that's good. Lift up.
I thought I snagged.
You got one too?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, I'll hang on to this. Yeah. I got him.
Be a little smaller. Yeah. Nice size one.
Keeper.
That one looks a little short.
I'm fishing in your hole.
Get out of my hole.
That's a nice one. That one might have some weight to him there. All right, just a second. Let me help him with that. What does it look like? No, sheep's head. Bring it to the right. Yep, just right around. He's a keeper.
Really?
I think so. Yeah, that's a keeper. Probably 13. That's a nice one. That is a nice one.
My God.
Ooh, that's a big one. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. He's letting them beat you up. Letting them beat you up. That's a good one.
Oh, that's a nice one.
That is a good one there. Good gosh.
That's a fat son of a bitch.
That's a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Told you there's a big
Look
one.
at the teeth though. They look like
Yeah.
humans.
Yep, and see how far back they go. They have like
Oh,
4
yeah.
rows. Trips. It's one after another. There you go. Getting the big ones now.
Ooh,
Oh
red.
yeah. That's another redfish?
Yeah, baby.
There you go. There you go. Oh, what?
That's a nice one. That's a keeper.
Oh, he's got a nice one on too now.
That's
Double.
a nice, beautiful fish.
Come on. Give me a break. There you go. What you got?
Redfish.
It's a redfish.
Here you go. No, sheep's head. Swing him around the right and.
Come on.
Yep. Yep. I'm gonna have to do a count on the sheep's head. I think we're getting
Yeah.
close.
We're gonna have 10 of them, right?
Big
Yep.
limit.
Oh, that's a nice one too.
Another nice one. Yeah.
Oh,
Doesn't feel like fishing when somebody else puts it on out there.
I know. It's you gotta get your money's worth out of me though.
That's what
I
call
am.
them.
I'm catching. You almost got tied around your trolling motor. It's a shame, yeah.
There we go. Just curious to see what he measures.
Yep.
Yep, about 19, about the same. Nice one.
Yeah. It's got a
That would
fat-
have been a keeper.
It's got a fat lip now.
Yeah.
I think I got
Perfect. That's going to be a fish. Or a rock. Say a fish first. There he is. Yep. Oh. There he goes. Oh, yeah. That's a nice Nice one. You're good. He's to the left of you. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Redfish?
Best of the day.
Oh yeah.
Red. Oh, nice red.
Came to play.
Yeah, baby.
Came to play. Little.
Oh, that's a nice one. Look how pretty this color is. They just sparkle.
Hopefully he doesn't
Oh.
die.
Oh, this is good.
What is that? What do you got going
I
on?
think it's another red.
Another nice red. Big school of them probably just pushed in.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Pissed off, too.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Zoom around to your right side. That is a nice one.
That's a beauty.
Come out from under there.
Oh, oh nice.
Never caught redfish and now boom, look at you.
Yep, I'm a damn pro.
One spot and then two on that side.
Triple spot.
Pretty.
Yeah.
That one's 20.
Yeah.
Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh man. Oh, you guys are just cheating now.
It's the captain.
I don't know anything. That's another redfish.
redfish.
Yep, they come, that water's dropping out. They're coming out of these creeks and it's one of their little transitions. They're staging areas. Wait for the water to come back in. Look at the spots on that one.
Yeah.
That one has one way up on its back.
Oh yeah, double in the back. Oh yeah.
All the way up there.
Yeah, yeah.
And then two there. It's pretty neat.
Nice.
It's killing. That one's over.
Oh.
Let's see, is that a sheep's head? Or a redfish? That's a redfish, that's gotta be. Big sheep's head. Redfish. Yeah, this one's close. I don't know if I want to keep him or not.
We'll work for another one. You just gotta love those redfish.
Yeah, they gotta fight all their own.
They're nice. Yeah, they're nice. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. There you go.
He's got some dirt on him.
That's a nice one.
Can we have a swap opportunity? That's good, my man.
He's got some weight to him.
That is a nice one.
On a pole like this, fish that size, it feels great.
22.
Yep. That's a nice fish. You want a picture of that? Maybe one,
Sure.
2, 3.
He's sliding through my fingers.
Awesome job.
Thank you.
Thanks for playing. Thanks for playing, Mr. Fish.
That was a nice fish.
He's landing.
Yeah, they fight so hard. If you can. I can't help you no more because Rich is gonna get mad.
That's a nice one.
This is a good way for you to.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Tried to wear you out.
You did a good job of
That's
it.
a nice one.
Man, there's a.
Yeah, I told you they hang out on the outside here if they hang
Yeah,
out. See, this is the way the other place was, but they were big. 3. That's good.
It is piss him off and leave. Seeing that he's there, we'll catch up one after another.
Another one. Ozzy, I love you, man.
Don't reel it up so far off the truck. Pull it out. That way you can swing the rod too.
Yeah. Got a little over.
Another 3.